Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Agung Rakari Kusumayasa and my study number 24055310118. In this video, I will explain what a simple pendulum. A simple pendulum is a idealized object consisting of a point mass suspended from a length inextensible strength. The pendulum swings in a vertical plane under the influence of gravity. Background: this experiment is usually carried out to determine the acceleration due to gravity and to study the dependence of the time period on various factors such as length. And this is the simple pendulum equation. The first formula for force equation. This equation reflects the responsive force acting on a simple pendulum. The force always acts in the opposite direction to the displacement. The longer the displacement angle, the greater the restoring force pulling the pendulum back to its equilibrium position. And the second formula is fluid equation. This formula is used to determine the fluid of a pendulum, which is the time taken from one complete swing. The fluid depends on the length of the pendulum and the gravity acceleration. To the longer the pendulum, the longer the fluid. And the third formula is gravity acceleration equation. This equation is derived from the fluid formula. By growing in length of the pendulum and its fluid, we can calculate the local gravitational acceleration. Next, this is the tool from experimentation. First tool, massa, 2 tool, strength, 3 tool, protector, 4 tool, stopwatch, 5 tool, rulers, 6 tool, dive tank. And step from experimentation. Step 1, set up the experiment. Step 2, make sure the length of the strings. Step 3, put the pendulum at a 10 degrees angle. 4 step, swing the mass from 10 stand and calculation the average. And the final step, repeat step 2 until 5 times with a different length but with the same angle. This is the data from first experiment with a length of 20 cm. And this is the data from the second experiment with a length of 25 cm. This is the data from 3 experiments with a length of 30 centimeter, and then this is the data from 4 experiments with a length of 36 centimeter, and this is the data from the 5 experiment with a length of 40 centimeter, and then this is the gravity simple pendulum. From the graph we can see that the longer the rope, the longer time needed to complete the movement. Next, this is the locking form gravity, and then summary. The longer the rope, the longer it takes to complete the movement, and this experiment provides a valuable lessons about perpendicular motion. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.